Today I'm going to discuss the immune system obstacles that bacteria would encounter with their initial contact with skin, and then what would happen if they entered the body through a cut or some sort of wound. So, there are innate immune system responses to any pathogen that tries to infiltrate your body, no matter what type. And these are called nonspecific immune reactions. These are present at birth, and the skin is the part of the first line of defense against invading pathogens, and it plays an essential role in protecting the body from infection. The skin also has salts, which are antibacterial in nature. The skin is composed of 3 layers, which are the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis is made up of cells containing a lot of keratin that allow the skin to be resistant to bacterial enzymes. These are also all dead cells that shed to shed off any sort of pathogen that might be in the skin. They continuously shed their cells. A way for this physical line of defense to be disrupted is when a wound occurs. Breaking the skin's barrier by cutting it on glass or obtaining a splinter can leave the body open to risk of infection. The second line of defense are chemical signals that are sent, such as histamine, which causes the blood to be leaky and to be able to flow to the area because it dilates the blood vessels and attracts other cells to help fight the infection. This causes inflammation to occur on the skin, and it becomes red, swollen, and hot. Phagocytes are membrane-bound vesicles that eat pathogens. When they encounter a foreign invader, they engulf that organism where it undergoes a process called phagocytosis. The phagocyte creates a pseudopod that entraps the pathogen that then enters the phagosome. The phagosome combines with lysosomes, forming a phagolysosome, which further increases their acidity level that activate enzymes that cause a respiratory burst. This then leads to an increased uptake of oxygen to produce oxygen-based species that are antibacterial. Also, bacteria doesn't like very high acidity environments. After the foreign invader is destroyed, most of it is converted into waste, and that is excreted from the cell, but not all of it. A little bit is stored in the phagocyte, so they're able to create an adaptive immune response in the future to resist further infection. And this response happens way quicker and is able to fight off the infection way sooner. Thank you.